Hello all of you, welcome to our new video on Microsoft Excel. So today we are going to see another type of data visualization chart in Excel. So as usual, let's go to Microsoft Excel, open a new blank workbook. I have zoomed it for the data visualization. Let's have a set of data. Suppose we have student and here we are having marks. So let's say student A, B, C, D and E, and marks out of 100, 75, 50, 60, 30 and 90. So now let's select this data, go to insert, and here you will find a line or an area chart. So today we are going to see one 3D line chart. So here you can see a 2D line chart, and here you can observe a 3D line chart. So click on this 3D line chart. In some time, so we will just rearrange this chart and see. You have to add data labels. Click on this and click on add data labels. So for A it is 75. So see, this is a 3D chart, so the line is in 3D view. If you have to E, F, G, H, F has suppose 35 marks, G has 40 and H has 80, but still it is not reflected. So click on this chart. Initially up to E only the data was selected, so now increase the selection like this. So you can see this chart has changed. Now this 90, suppose if I change this 90 to 40, so see it is a live representation, hit enter, so see it has gone to 40. Suppose this 30 is there, I change it to 95, so see what happens. This 30 has been changed to 90. So in this way you can use this 3D line chart to represent your data in Microsoft Excel. Thank you all.